the American Dream. So, ayan. So, dito kami. Yung American Dream.
Alam ko lang dapat maaga pa tayo.
Kaya nga, sabi ko kan.
Go. Kaway-kaway, Mark. Ito kami sa typical one ito, yung parang subdivision. So, nakita yung subdivision dito. Anong lugar ganito?
Irvine, Orange County.
Dito kami sa Irvine, Orange County. So, makita niyo dito, park na pero pwede kang kumuha kung may kamatis. Pwede kunin basta may bunga.
Yeah.
So, dito, meron pang tinula. Pang tinula ito. At saka yan, ano yan? Kalabasa.
Kalabasa.
Dito. Duda ako parang Pilipino ang naglakuan dito.
Kalabasa, oh.
Kasi parang bahay kubo yung dating. So, continue watching our reels and vlog because tomorrow we will show you the cruise to Mexico.
You okay?
Hello.
So why don't you follow me home to my garden? It's just a little dirt spot behind the apartment block, but I intend to make it charming.
The American Dream. Saan kayo daan, no? See? Since we are Americans today, we speak English. Mind you, we'll really try hard to be like an American. So this is their park over here. This is their park.
And there's two. Oh, see?
Hello. We will try.
I saw a hummingbird mom. So why don't you follow me home to my garden?
Okay.
It's just
We are now trying to apply for a ride on that big balloon over there. That's the balloon. Can you see the balloon? That's the balloon we are going to ride. So let's see if we can get a ticket.